Big news. Two tech titans are joining forces. Sir Jony Ive, the legendary designer behind Apple's most iconic products, and OpenAI, the creators of ChatGPT and DALL-E. Ive's design philosophy, simplicity, elegance, and intuitive tech, revolutionized how we interact with devices. OpenAI, meanwhile, is at the forefront of artificial intelligence, powering everything from chatbots to creative tools. Now these two are teaming up, blending world-class design with cutting-edge AI. Imagine the possibilities when the mind behind the iPhone meets the brains behind today's smartest AI. This partnership could reshape the future of technology. The tech world is buzzing with a potentially groundbreaking development. OpenAI is reportedly in advanced talks to acquire Jony Ive's celebrated design firm, LoveFrom. This move signals a significant shift in strategy for the AI powerhouse. The rumored price tag? A staggering $6.5 billion. It's a figure that underscores the immense value OpenAI places on design and hardware expertise. This isn't just about refining software algorithms anymore. It represents a bold and decisive move into the realm of hardware. A strategic expansion that could redefine how we interact with AI. The ambition is clear, aiming to create a completely new category of device, where artificial intelligence isn't just an added feature, but the very core of the user experience. For OpenAI, having control over both the hardware and the underlying software allows for a much deeper level of integration, unlocking possibilities previously out of reach. The result, a truly seamless and intuitive user experience. For Jony Ive, this partnership represents a unique chance to define the next era of personal technology, to shape the future of how we interact with machines. It's about moving beyond the current mobile age and ushering in a new era, the age of AI-first devices. Together, OpenAI and LoveFrom want to build a device that is designed from the ground up with AI as its primary function, rather than simply retrofitting existing gadgets with AI capabilities. The ultimate goal is to create a product that makes AI feel invisible, a natural and intuitive part of our daily lives, seamlessly integrated into our routines. This isn't just about incremental improvements, this is about building the first truly intelligent AI device, not just another iteration of the same old smart gadgets we've come to expect. So, what are they actually building behind closed doors? What is the purpose of this collaboration, and what kind of device are they trying to bring into the world? Details are scarce, almost non-existent, but rumors point to a brand new category of device, something that could potentially redefine how we interact with technology. Not a phone, not a laptop, not anything we've quite seen before. It's a departure from the established norms. The focused, natural, intuitive interaction with AI, a seamless blend of human and artificial intelligence, likely through voice, making communication feel effortless and organic. Gestures, allowing for a more tactile and expressive way to control your digital world. And contextual awareness, understanding your environment and adapting to your specific needs in real time, rather than screens and buttons. The goal is to move beyond the limitations of traditional interfaces. Imagine an AI that's always present, a subtle and intelligent presence in your everyday life, ready to help but never in your way. A digital companion that anticipates your needs without being intrusive. The device could be screenless, relying on other forms of interaction to convey information. Or have a minimal display, providing just the essential information you need when you need it. Prioritizing seamless integration into your life. It should feel like a natural extension of yourself. Unlike today's assistants, which often feel clunky and reactive, this AI would proactively understand your needs, anticipating your next move before you even realize it yourself. Anticipate tasks and adapt to you. It's about creating a truly personalized experience. It's about creating a truly helpful, a supportive presence that enhances your daily life. Personalized AI companion, one that learns, assists, and evolves with you. A companion that grows alongside you, becoming more valuable over time. With Ive's design and OpenAI's intelligence, a powerful combination of form and function, expectations are sky high for something polished and genuinely useful. The world is waiting to see what they will create. How could this paradigm shift change your life? What possibilities might it unlock? Picture an AI that anticipates your needs and proactively manages your schedule, freeing you from the tyranny of endless to-do lists. Imagine it drafting emails, tailoring the tone and content to each recipient, saving you precious time and mental energy. Envision it effortlessly summarizing complex documents, extracting key insights and organizing information for you, and even tutors you, guiding you through new subjects and skills with personalized instruction. All this, without you lifting a finger, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. This isn't just about convenience or saving time, it's about amplifying your abilities, unlocking your potential, and freeing up your mind to explore new ideas and pursue your passions. It's a fundamental shift, from reactive tech that demands your constant attention, to proactive human-centric AI that anticipates your needs and adapts to you, not the other way around. Imagine tech that's truly accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical expertise, even those who aren't tech-savvy. Just talk naturally, and it understands and helps. Of course, there are challenges and potential pitfalls, privacy concerns, data security vulnerabilities, and the critical need for making sure the AI truly understands human nuance and context. But if developers and researchers get it right, if they address these challenges responsibly, this could fundamentally redefine our relationship with technology, creating a more symbiotic and empowering partnership. The ultimate promise is ambient computing, AI woven seamlessly and invisibly into the fabric of your environment, anticipating your needs before you even realize them. The risks are real and must be carefully considered, but the potential for positive transformation is enormous, offering a glimpse into a brighter, more human-centered future. This isn't just about one device, it's a signal that the future of tech is AI-native hardware. OpenAI and Ive's move could push Apple, Google, and others to accelerate their own AI hardware plans. The race is on who can build the most intuitive, integrated AI companion. The product reveal, user experience, and developer ecosystem will be crucial to its success. This partnership could spark a new era of innovation or be a bold experiment that changes everything. Either way, it's forcing the industry to rethink what's possible. The next chapter in AI devices is just beginning. Don't blink, or you'll miss it. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and share for more tech insights.